Ladies and gentlemen, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling
You are feeling good, right?
Yes.
Now we have rain outside,
Yeah.
so it is better for you to just stay here waiting the rain. Right? So, what have we learned today? Taking the message. What is taking the message? Great, menerima pesan. And then living the message. What's living the message? Meninggalkan pesan. That's the topic, yeah. We have just finished that topic. So, when we will meet again the day? How do you say Jumat in English?
Friday.
On Friday, we are going to discuss the new topic. It will be letter. Yeah, what is letter? Surah. And then we also today you are making the video and it's done. Thank you and enjoy your day and enjoy your evening and enjoy your whole bunch of your class. Before we close our class, it is good for us to pray. Yeah, okay. Please, one of you need to lead your friend to pray by saying, "Friends, pray together."
Play together. Finish.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time today and have a good day. Think that our success is depend today. Yeah, when we are going to be success, yeah, we need to find our passion in our life. See you and good evening.
See you.
Okay, let's go home.
Let's go.
Let's go.